So I want to do a little refresher video and let y'all see how I freshen up my frontal when it's not ready to come off yet, but you just need a little refresh. This hair is from Cranberry hair. I'm gonna tell y'all everything I need to know about the hair, and we're gonna get right into it. So let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up here so y'all can see. And then the first thing I'm going to do is get some alcohol and some cotton balls and just rub it around my lace so my lace could get cleaned. So as you can see, right here needs to be rubbed. And I just need to rub it until it's clean. You know, gotta get that lace real clean. So now it's just a little bit right here, so I just need to clean up right here. My edges are extremely dirty, so in the process of me doing that, I'm just gonna rub them around the sides. Needs to be rubbed thoroughly. So I'm just gonna rub the sides. Like this side is good, but it's mainly this side. So you see, you gotta rub until all that glue is like lift up. So that's the first step. You gotta make sure all that glue is rubbed off completely. See how like it's lifting up? That's what you want. And while it's like this, you just pin it down and rub it off completely. And the thing is, guys, like your glue will not stick. Like nothing will not stick on your lace if you're gonna reuse it. Like say for instance it's not a fresh up and you're gonna reuse it, your glue will not stick if your lace is not clean. Like your lace have to be extremely clean. So if you know that you install a hair and you're gonna want to wear it back, and it's like something you want to wear back soon, when you have your spare time, you could soak it in water, or you could just do the alcohol trick. I do the alcohol trick and I soak it in water, but there you go. Like there is lift, that is good. I was just taming the flyaways a little bit with my hot comb, as you can see. Honestly feel like I should have cleaned the lace some more, but either way it was time to put on my glue, and I'm using my glue from SHER Luxury Beauty. Okay, so I just kept putting on the glue and just continue making it dry, because you know, like when you're putting on your lace glue, it has to be completely dried before you can go ahead and put the wig down. Leave it, let it dry real quick. So in the meantime of it being dried real clear, and go ahead and use my wax stick and basically like tame it up while it does what it's doing. Okay, so let me see, it's dry clear, but I want to go in with another layer right at the top. I won't do up, well, that's it, like that's it, like that's just it, that's it, because you have to be real careful. Like honestly guys, like this wig influencing thing and like doing your hair and stuff, it all comes with patience, even though I do not have any, because you have to be real patient and you have to focus. So while that's drying, add another layer right here, because this is the spot where girl, you really think like you install your hair and everything, and if this spot is not dry properly and you rush the process, your hair will really just keep coming out. Like some people know, when they do it like this, they just rest the hair down, and that's what be making the wigs come off. This is the new and improved hot comb that I'm going to go in with, and it's super hot. As you can see, it is super hot. Just gonna go in with it and tame back the hair. It's burning. It is burning. And it's like, this is basically like a trust the process type of shit. So we're gonna do that. While it's drying though, like in the little parts of like right here, I mean, some parts is not rubbed out, so you can see you're gonna have a little issue right here, but that's minor. Just gotta get it and let it keep dry, and while it dry, you just find something else to do. Okay guys, so it's time to just put it down. I will blood clot this. I will blood clot this. I don't know why. Yo, this glue bad. I glue your body fuck. I literally feel the glue like hug on to me. Like the glue. Guys, I was just working hard because I did really want to install come out good. And I always see hairdressers do this to basically let the glue melt in. So I had to try it. Like, I had to try it. And the whole time I was just trying to separate my edges and everything. And I think like with this color here, it's kind of hard to find your part in sometimes. So your girl was just searching for that part, you know. So after that, I went in with my melting spray and basically was just trying to get that lace to melt. And I couldn't find Cranberry hair melting band, so I used my U-Mice. Honestly guys, I was so frustrated because I don't know, like the ear. This hair is not giving, baby. It's not giving what it's supposed to give at all. Like the color is nice, lace is nice, but this hair is really trash. Like this hair is really giving trash. So, and I'm not gonna wash it because I'm not gonna wash it at all. But you can literally see the quality that it's giving. Like, and I tried to detangle this here a lot. Like I had it in 2 twists because I did detangle it, but here was just not giving. Like it was not giving what it's supposed to give. Like it was not giving. But you know, your girl is going to make it work. This wig is so not it, but I'm gonna make it work. I go in with it and try to get up here like a little flat or something. And I'm gonna go in with my concealer and try to get it a little something. Okay, I'm gonna try and put like a few curls right here. And this one is so nice because everything could just hold up there. Oh, this is cute. It's coming along real good. Okay. I just need to do like 4 more over here. Just a few more, baby. And then waboosh.
And it was like I just continued curling the trashy piece of hair.
Really cute. I love this one curl. I'm gonna drop the link for my one curl down below. See if I could consider getting it because this is real good. Real good. I gotta get 2 more. Well, not 2, 1 more over here. And then I'm gonna get 2 over there. And then we're gonna do the edges and stuff. This is all the hair that came out. While we look at that hair, I didn't put it under the dryer, or it is when I took it out. All of that stuff. So this is the edges. Turn my edges hot combing while I go ahead and try to get some foundation stuff around here. So not a lot, just a little, like not a lot, as I said, just a little. Okay. Okay. So while that's doing what it's supposed to do, I'm gonna go in with this thingy. And I'm gonna get the crescent one, okay? So it is hot. I can tell you that. It's getting that install laid. So I'm gonna come back and get it real flat and nice in the back also. Cause I don't want the middle to be giving no element, okay? I don't want that. Flat, I think it's flat enough. I need to get behind the ears though. Okay, baby, it's giving. And I think it look good, I don't know. It's time to do the edges. And how I do that now, I fold it under. Ooh, that shit burnt. It up, fold it under, and the same for the sideburns. Basically just fold that shit under. Same for this side also. Hold on. Fold that shit under. And the same for up here. You just fold it on there, okay? So after you fold it under, I am gonna go in with my, and it's the same brand, SHER. Just glue and just slide across. Okay, it's supposed to like guide where it goes. And it's my first time using these products, so I'm gonna let y'all know how it was, like how to keep up and stuff in my other ear video. But yeah, there we go. We got one side of the edges. And I'm gonna go in and do the other side. Hope y'all can see. You just go in and glide the edges. That's it, like that's it. And for the sides, you're just gonna do the same thing. There you go, like, there you have it. The edges. The edges. And there you have my install. And I'm gonna go back in with my melting spray. And basically, okay, there I have it. And my hair is completed. Okay guys, this is what it looks like in the end. This is the finished product. These are the curls. I styled it this way. And I hope y'all love this video. I just want to set a little more. But this is it guys. This is it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye.